Yak backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Here's my unicorn. He's excited to see you. He says, welcome to Yak Backpack. Look at these fun things that unicorns like. Look at this bug. What does the bug have? The bug has some peas. 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 Unicorns like to eat peas. 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 Unicorns like to eat peas. Do you like to eat peas? Peas. Peas. Pea. We found some peas. Okay. What next, unicorn? She chose a flower. What's on the flower? It's a pet. It's a pet goldfish. Do you have a pet goldfish? Pet, pet, pet. Unicorns like pets. Pet, pet, pet. Do you have a pet? Our unicorn has a goldfish as a pet. Pet, pet, pet. It's a pet goldfish. Pet. What will the unicorn choose next? She chose the bee. What's on the bee? Oh, we found the letter P. 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 We found the letter P. 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 We found the letter P. 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 Make a popping sound with P. 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 What will the unicorn choose now? Oh, she found some pie. Pie. Unicorns also like to eat pie. 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 Do you like to eat pie? She likes to eat pie. 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 She likes to eat pie. One bug left. She found some popsicles. Some popsicles. Popsicles. She found some popsicles. She likes to eat popsicles. Popsicles. Unicorns like to eat popsicles. We found some popsicles. We found some peas. We found some pie. We found the letter P. And we found a pet goldfish. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Yak backpack.